Very good. I am also fine. So today the date is 21st September 2020 and today the day is Monday. So today I will tell you a story. Do you want to listen a story? Yes, you have to listen the story carefully. Fine. So today I am going to tell you a story about bees. This is a one bee and I am going to tell you about the story of number of bees, many bees and a bear. Do you know what the bear like? Bear like to eat honey. Do you like to eat honey? What is the taste of a honey? Very sweet. So bear like to eat honey. So I am going to tell you a story about a bear and the bees. Fine, let's start. So once upon a time in a deep forest there was a bear. What is this? Bear. The bear was roaming in the forest. Why he was roaming in the forest? Because he was very hungry. He was searching for food. So one day what happened? When the bear was roaming in the forest, he saw the beehive. And then he went closer to the beehive and he was trying to see, is there any honey or is there any bees inside the beehive? And then what happened? Do you know that? So from the beehive suddenly a bee came, and what the bee did? The bee stung hardly on the nose of the bear. Why? Because bee thought that the bear will destroy their hive. That's why the bee strongly stung on the nose of the bear. Can you see this? Okay. After that, do you know what happened? The bear got angry because he was having so much pain on his nose. He got angry and in anger he tried to destroy the beehive with his hands. And when the bear came near to the beehive and destroyed the beehive, so many bees came out from the beehive and chased the bear. The bear was running to save his life. The bees were also trying to sting him, and number of bees stung all over the body of the bear, and he was running so fast to save his life. And while running, what he did? He jumped into the river to save his life. And when he jumped into the river, the bees also were there and they were searching, where is bear? We will sting him. But the bees were not able to find out where were the bee. Where were the bear? And when the bees did not find the bear, all the bees went away, and then the bear came out from the water and he was thankful to God. Oh, I saved my life. So the moral of the story is, too much anger is never good. We should not get angry too much. We should not try to destroy the home of any animal. Fine? Goodbye. Take care of yourself.